If you love olives, you're going to be obsessed with this. If you don't love olives, this might just change your mind. Crispy on the outside, warm and salty on the inside, and paired with a fresh parsley yogurt dip. These fried olives are the perfect snack or a unique side dish to level up any meal. Simple ingredients, but incredible flavor. To a bowl, add 100 grams or 3.5 ounces of plain Greek yogurt, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of water, and a pinch of salt. Chop some fresh parsley and add it to the bowl. Mix everything till well combined. Okay, our dip is ready. Let's put it in the fridge to keep it cool. Now place a small saucepan over medium-low heat and fill it with oil about 2 inches deep. We'll let this get hot while we prepare the olives. We're using 1 cup or about 100 grams of rinsed pitted green olives. Add those to about 3 tablespoons of flour. Use your hands to get them evenly coated. Comment below, are you a green olive or black olive fan? Then transfer them to a dish with 1 beaten egg. This is optional, but I added 1/2 teaspoon of dried oregano. Again, use your hands to evenly coat the olives with the egg mixture. Okay, finally transfer these to 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs. One more time, use your hands to coat the olives evenly with the breadcrumbs. It's time to fry. Carefully transfer the olives to your hot oil and gently spread them so they cook evenly. Fry them until golden brown. And just like that, they're ready to eat. Garnish with some fresh parsley and a slice of lemon and serve it with the refreshing yogurt dip on the side. Seriously, you have to try these. Whether it's for a party or just a midday craving, these fried olives never disappoint. If you enjoyed this, hit like and subscribe to Ooh La La for more precise measurements and step-by-step instructions that work every time. See you in the next one.